the National Aeronautics and Space Administration will land the first person of color on the Moon, as part of an international spaceflight program called Artemis. Acting NASA Administrator Steve Jurczyk has sought to not only land the first woman on the Moon, but also the first person of color under the Artemis program. And the Artemis III mission is expected to launch the first woman and next man to the Moon in 2024. The U.S. Space Agency said, "This goal aligns with President Biden's commitment to pursue a comprehensive approach to advancing equity for all." The Artemis astronauts also include Indian American Raja Chari. Bhavya Lal, the acting NASA Chief of Staff, said, "These are historic moments in advancing equity for all of mankind." She added that the announcement is personally very meaningful to her. She said in a tweet, "When astronauts explore the lunar South Pole, which has never been visited by humans before, they will build on the legacy and science gained during the Apollo program and carry it into a new century." In a statement released by NASA, said, "The spending is an increase of more than 6% than the previous year, which is $24.7 billion. The acting NASA Administrator, Steve Jurczyk, said, "The President's discretionary request increases NASA's ability to better understand Earth and further monitor and predict the impacts of climate change. It will also help the agency's robotic exploration of space, which will provide a boost to aviation technology and provide new funding for NASA's efforts to engage in STEM outreach for underserved students." With a budget increase of more than 6% from the previous year, NASA will continue to boost its ingenuity in exploration, technology, aeronautics, and science. NASA has also welcomed the nomination of former Democratic Senator Bill Nelson as its next administrator as the U.S. Space Agency works towards the key Artemis III mission. NASA has completed a crucial hot fire test of the core stage of the Space Launch System rocket, which is designed to power future moon missions under the agency's Artemis program. The successful test is a critical milestone ahead of the agency's Artemis I mission, which will send an uncrewed Orion spacecraft on a test flight around the Moon and back to Earth, paving the way for future Artemis missions with astronauts.